Hey guys, meteorologist Josh Morse is here with an update for you on our anticipated severe weather threat a little bit later today, tonight, as well as tomorrow, as we could see a few different rounds of severe weather. Again, a few hours ago, Storm Prediction Center says their confidence kind of increasing that we could see some severe weather overnight tonight. So we have seen that slight risk get expanded, especially along and north of Interstate 20. And the thing here is we could see some wind and hail with the storms tonight, but they do believe there is a window where we could see maybe a few tornadoes overnight as well. So that being a threat, make sure you do have a way to receive weather warnings, be it a no weather radio, weather app, or at least some of the wireless emergency alerts on your phone, something that can kind of wake you up in the middle of the night in case we do get a few isolated tornadoes out there. And again, that would be late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And then we still have our upper level low, which is going to bring more ingredients for some strong to severe storms to the Arklatex after sunrise tomorrow. So the overall setup for Wednesday has not changed too much. We're still in that slight risk here with the expectation that we'll see some significant severe weather off to the northeast of the Arklatex once these storms move out of our backyard here. They really will strengthen as they continue to move to the east. That said, wouldn't be surprised to see that enhanced risk still pulled back maybe towards Louisiana and Arkansas. There's definitely a window tomorrow where we could see some tornadoes, especially in the late morning and early afternoon. Here's the latest run. This is the high resolution HRRR model here, which is showing pretty quiet conditions until sunset tonight. Here comes the warm front. So the warm front will bring some storms capable of that high wind and hail. It's showing the front right along I-20 at about 10 p.m. tonight. And again, if we did see a tornado, it would likely be in that window from 10 p.m. probably to around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. And then that warm front should likely be far enough to the north here that we'll see some quiet conditions for maybe a few hours before sunrise. Here comes our next line of storms with the cold front. That takes us to about 7 a.m. in the morning. Initially, we may see some of these storms weaken out early in the day, but as we transition into the late morning and afternoon and we really start to warm up, you can see this next line of storms developing here by the late morning and afternoon. And this is where I'm a little more concerned about the potential for a few tornadoes to pop up here. So that is definitely something we are monitoring as a threat late morning and early afternoon on Wednesday. But again, the quick movement of these storms should carry them away from us by the time we get to about 4 or 5 p.m. So I'm hoping this will all be gone for the afternoon and evening commute. But again, some of these storms likely will affect the morning commute, especially across East Texas as well as Oklahoma. Latest look at Futurecast still anticipate likely less than an inch of rain in most areas. But if we do get repeated rounds of thunderstorms, for example, the warm front tonight, then the cold front tomorrow, we easily could see some locations pick up a good 1 to 2 inches of rain, which at this point shouldn't cause us any flash flooding issues. But in addition to the wind, hail, tornado threat, of course, frequent lightning with any storms that are out there later today, tonight, and tomorrow. We get through tomorrow afternoon, and we're just kind of on cruise control. We've got some great weather taking over Thursday, Friday, and especially for the upcoming weekend.